Welcome to Xciting Machines. If you're a fan of the outdoors, get ready to take your adventures to the next level. Today, we're diving into camping inventions that are insanely cool, from futuristic tents that set up in seconds to portable gadgets that can cook, charge, and even purify water on the go. Whether you're a hardcore camper or just love weekend getaways, these high-tech tools will blow your mind and change how you experience nature. Number 1. Xciting. Xciting is a groundbreaking invention that blends a camper, boat, and e-bike into a single, compact vehicle designed for adventurous travelers seeking freedom and sustainability. Originally developed in Latvia, Xciting, formerly known as Xciting, is the brainchild of designer Eigars Lauzies. This electric-powered, amphibious trike is built to allow users to travel across both land and water without needing to switch vehicles. Its design features a sturdy tricycle base for land navigation, powered by an electric motor, and a boat hull that seamlessly allows it to float and cruise on calm lakes and rivers. One of its most fascinating features is the built-in camper, which transforms the cockpit into a cozy sleeping space for 1 or 2 people. Xciting is built with eco-conscious materials, solar panels, and lightweight construction, making it ideal for slow, sustainable travel through nature. It reaches speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour on land and about 5 kilometers per hour on water, offering a leisurely but steady pace for exploration. The goal behind Xciting is to reimagine micromobility and redefine how people connect with the environment while traveling. Whether navigating urban outskirts, quiet backroads, or tranquil lakes, Xciting offers an off-grid experience with minimal environmental impact. It's perfect for weekend getaways, solo adventures, or even long-distance expeditions in the wild. As interest in sustainable and multifunctional travel grows, Xciting represents a futuristic solution that embraces mobility, nature, and adventure in one intelligently designed package. Number 2. Cooling Style. Cooling Style is a cutting-edge brand that specializes in compact, portable air conditioning units designed for outdoor adventures, RVs, boats, tents, and small personal spaces. What sets Cooling Style apart is its focus on mobility, energy efficiency, and ease of use. Their flagship product is a lightweight, suitcase-sized air conditioner that combines both cooling and air purification functions, making it ideal for travelers, campers, and people living off-grid. With a cooling capacity of around 1,200 BTU, it's strong enough to cool a small enclosed space while remaining ultra-portable and quiet. The device runs on multiple power sources, including a car battery, standard wall outlet, or portable power station, making it extremely versatile. It's especially popular among van lifers and outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable climate control in unpredictable environments. Cooling Style units also come with smart controls and digital temperature displays for easy operation. Some models even feature USB ports and LED lighting, enhancing their functionality beyond just cooling. The unit is environmentally friendly and uses our R134A refrigerant, which is known for being less harmful to the ozone layer. Whether you're camping in the desert, tailgating in the summer heat, or working in a small garage or workshop, Cooling Style offers comfort and relief from high temperatures in places traditional air conditioners can't reach. As climate challenges grow and more people seek mobile living solutions, Cooling Style continues to innovate with a clear focus on performance, portability, and sustainability. Number 3. Opus Smart Tent. The Opus Smart Tent is a revolutionary inflatable camping solution that combines advanced technology, comfort, and rugged durability for outdoor enthusiasts. Designed by Opus campers, this smart tent transforms the traditional camping experience by offering a setup that takes less than 2 minutes using an onboard electric pump system. Unlike conventional tents that require manual effort and poles, the Opus Smart Tent inflates automatically with air beams, creating a strong, weather-resistant structure ideal for all types of terrain. What makes it truly smart is its integration of modern amenities like touch-controlled lighting, USB charging ports, Bluetooth speakers, and even a digital control panel for managing climate and battery levels. Some models also feature a built-in heater and a water system for washing and cooking, making it feel more like a mobile home than a tent. The tent is mounted on a durable trailer base and can sleep up to 6 people, making it perfect for family adventures or group expeditions. With off-road capabilities, all-terrain tires, and a rugged design, the Opus Smart Tent is built to handle remote locations where traditional RVs or tents would struggle. Its compact, foldable design ensures easy towing and storage, while the spacious interior offers luxury and convenience in the wild. Whether you're exploring the mountains, forests, or desert plains, the Opus Smart Tent redefines what it means to camp smart, blending outdoor freedom with the comforts of modern living. Number 4. Eio Canopy. The Eio Canopy is an innovative and futuristic mobile living pod designed to redefine the concept of portable shelter. Developed by the German startup EOS Next, the Eio Canopy focuses on sustainability, off-grid functionality, and modular design. It's essentially a solar-powered micro-home built with lightweight, eco-friendly materials and designed to adapt to a wide range of outdoor environments. The canopy structure itself is made from recycled aluminum and textile membranes, offering both durability and flexibility. With solar panels installed on the roof, the Eio Canopy generates its own electricity, making it ideal for remote camping, festivals, or even emergency response situations. Inside, the unit is compact but thoughtfully arranged, with a sleeping area, storage compartments, and space for personal electronics. The entire pod is designed to be easily transportable and can be deployed in minutes, offering immediate shelter with minimal environmental impact. One of its standout features is its ability to connect with other Eio Canopy units, forming a larger community or modular living space. This makes it not just a solo adventure solution, but also a scalable concept for eco-resorts or mobile base camps. Number 5. Himovo Fan. The Himovo Fan is a powerful, portable fan designed for both indoor and outdoor use, delivering high-performance cooling in a compact, rechargeable package. Known for its rugged design and energy efficiency, the Himovo Fan is ideal for campers, construction sites, garages, emergency situations, and everyday personal cooling needs. One of its key features is its built-in high-capacity, rechargeable battery, often around 20,000 mAh, which provides up to 48 hours of continuous use on a single charge, depending on the speed setting. This makes it highly reliable for off-grid scenarios. The fan offers multiple speed levels, adjustable head angles, usually up to 270 degrees, and quiet operation, making it both powerful and user-friendly. Some models also include USB-A and USB-C ports, turning the fan into a power bank that can charge smartphones and other small devices in remote settings. Its sturdy base and optional wall mounting capability give it versatile placement options, whether you're in a tent, a workshop, or a camper van. Despite its tough, industrial look, the fan is lightweight and easy to carry thanks to its foldable handle. The Himovo Fan is built for durability with a metal frame and impact-resistant housing, making it perfect for harsh outdoor environments. As heat waves and extreme weather become more common, the Himovo Fan stands out as an essential tool for keeping cool while staying mobile and prepared. It's a great companion for those who prioritize both comfort and independence in the great outdoors. Thanks for watching Xciting Machines. We hope you enjoyed exploring these insanely cool camping inventions that are redefining outdoor adventures. From cutting-edge gear to smart tools that make camping easier, safer, and way more fun, the future of outdoor living is here, and it's awesome. If any of these inventions blew your mind or sparked your wanderlust, let us know in the comments. We love hearing from fellow adventurers. And if you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos packed with incredible machines, gadgets, and innovations. There's always something new and exciting coming your way. Until next time, stay curious, stay prepared, and keep exploring with Xciting Machines. See you in the next adventure.